very happy to be here, very honored, and very honored to be in the presence of 3 ministers, 2 very inspiring ministers here, and Dr. Anya as well on the video. I think you heard how important the strategic partnership is between the European Union and Egypt. Very strong, full of potential, a lot of work, and I'm very glad to see the energy also from the ministers here and from our partners. Mr. Rahmi has been very actively working with us. Thank you, Mr. Rahmi, for all the work, the partners here around the table. The Integrated and Sustainable Housing and Community Development Program in Egypt, you have seen how it provides access to basic services and livelihoods for population in most deprived areas, in important governors in Egypt, and I want to pay tribute to the governors here today. I hope to visit all the governors. You know, I just started my mission in Egypt. We just presented our credentials for the number of ambassadors to the presidency of the Republic, and I'm very happy that we will be able to actually meet with the governors and the governorates, the mayors, and the communities we are, as European Union, supporting here in Egypt. A few months ago, Egypt hosted the Global Urban Forum, where many of you present here today discussed how to address the challenges of unplanned urban neighborhoods. In Egypt, these areas, as we call them unplanned neighborhoods, are hosting 40% of the national population. This is where the focus on improving living conditions and economic perspectives should be, especially now that also climate change, and the Minister of Environment spoke very clearly about the changes in the green transition that are needed, where this is kicking in very heavily in these areas. Together, a lot has been achieved, and we have seen it here today. The past 10 years, we invested as a European Union 130 million in urban development in Egypt. We are actually one of the few partners in this area in Egypt, the European Union is, and we have also mobilized 125 million of investment to provide loans to SMEs. I'm very glad to see my colleague here from the European Investment Bank as well. Over 12 million residents of unplanned urban areas have benefited. This is not everybody, but it's a very big proportion of residents. And I believe it's very important the EU, we as the EU, we will continue with the government, with all our partners to champion our support. What is more important in life than seeing happy children in renovated schools? We saw the infrastructure, but we didn't see the people on the infrastructure, but it's really true. There are the kids going to school happily, new playgrounds, youth engaged in sports, cultural activities, patients and medical staff operating in rehabilitated health centers, people with better access now to water and wastewater, children and women walking in upgraded light